Feet Geeks back again. We back with another video review. We got some real special shoes in today. I wanted to share them with everybody. New Balance. Y'all know New Balance been on the rise lately. A lot of different collabs. These are the Joe Freshgoods. And the basic premise behind this shoe is a lot of people don't know, but Jordan actually wore this shoe when he was shooting a commercial. That's where they took the Jumpman logo from the commercial he was shooting when he had these on. So they released these. This is a very, very limited shoe. It was only 500 of these made, and this is number, you see it. It also features super soft leather, softer leather that's usually on this shoe, mixed in with the suede on it too. Definite heater. Joe Freshgoods did an awesome job. Let's get a close-up of the tongue. He got the hand with the basketball with the Joe Freshgoods. 1984, this was the year. Definitely want y'all to see all the details, the box, the packaging, so you can get a complete feel of everything they put into the shoe. What if the story was different? You know, what if Jordan actually signed a New Balance? Will we be wearing New Balances like we wearing Jordans, or how would it be?